Data Jockey, Machine Learning for Victorian Racing. Saturday, 25 July 2026, Race 9 at Caulfield. Let us get going. Right here is the quick summary for Race 9 at Caulfield, and this is one worth paying attention to. Two selections from the model today. Cruiserweight is the place selection. That is the top pick, the one the model is most confident about. And Barking Mad is in the same race multi as the top 4 selection. Not a standalone place selection, the same race multi only. So if you are short on time, there it is. Cruiserweight for the place, same race multi combining both. But do yourself a favor and stay with us, because what the model is seeing in this race is genuinely interesting, and understanding it will help you make a more informed decision. Let us break it down. Race 9 at Caulfield. 12 runners and the top 3 pay a place dividend today. The model has 2 selections for this race, and interestingly the top selection is the market favorite. The model agrees with the market on the top pick. The favorite fits the place finisher profile. Place selection on pick 1, same race multi also available combining both selections. Not every race gets a tip from us, only when there is genuine value. Today there is 2 selections. Let us walk through them. Quick context before the picks, since how this works matters for understanding what follows. The model driving these selections is machine learning based, trained on Victorian racing, and it never stops updating. Every race meeting adds to what it knows. That is different from a static system built once and forgotten, and it matters because racing patterns shift over time, season to season, even track condition to track condition. The real differentiator, though, is the target. Most tipping approaches chase the winner. This model chases place finishers instead, horses landing in the top positions, paying a place dividend. Different target, different method entirely. It is processing dozens of variables across the whole field simultaneously: pace, distance, field makeup, historical patterns, how each runner matches today's specific rivals. All at once, in combinations that are well beyond what manual analysis can realistically track. The full methodology is linked in the description if you want to go deeper. Right now, though, Race 9 is the focus, and the model has a strong view worth walking through. Let us get into it. Race 9's top selection is Cruiserweight, the market favorite this time, which is worth flagging straight away since it is not the typical pattern here. The model and the market have arrived at the same place. Cruiserweight fits the place finisher profile strongly enough to rank first, meaning the data and the crowd are aligned on this field. That alignment does not equal certainty, nothing in racing does, but it is a meaningful data point regardless. No tidy single reason behind it. As always, the model simply does not operate that way. It is weighing dozens of variables across the full field together: track conditions, distance, field composition, patterns drawn from thousands of past Victorian races, all simultaneously. What is worth remembering is the model's actual purpose: finding place finishers, not winners. A favorite at the top of the list means this horse matches the historical profile of horses finishing in the places under similar conditions, which is a separate question entirely from who wins the race. That distinction is the foundation the whole model is built on. Cruiserweight for the place, a top 3 finish in a 12-runner field, that is the model's call on Race 9. For entertainment purposes only, please make your own informed decision before placing any bet. Barking Mad, currently 4th in the market, takes pick 2, a genuinely different kind of selection to pick 1, so it is worth being clear on the distinction. The model rates Barking Mad as a likely top 4 finisher, but it stops short of backing a top 3 finish specifically. That gap matters. There is not enough support in the data for a standalone place selection here, but there is solid support for the top 4 role in the same race multi. That distinction might sound minor, but in a 12-runner field it genuinely is not. Top 3 pays a place dividend, 4th does not. So the model is not recommending Barking Mad as a place bet by itself. The same race multi is where it earns its spot. What the model is essentially saying about Barking Mad is that it belongs in this race and fits the top 4 profile for this field, but a top 3 finish is less certain. For the multi, top 4 is all that is required. Cruiserweight in top 3, Barking Mad in the top 4. That is the model's combination for race 9. The same race multi for race 9. Cruiserweight as a top 3 finisher, Barking Mad as a top 4 finisher. Check your wagering provider for availability on this market. Now, before you consider placing it, something worth being clear about, because it is easy to get this confused. These are two completely different bet types with completely different probability profiles. They are not interchangeable, and they are not equally likely to land. The place selection on Cruiserweight is the higher probability option. The model is more confident in that outcome. Lower return, yes, but a stronger chance of landing. That is where the model has the most confidence for race 9. The same race multi is the longer odds option. Both legs need to land. Cruiserweight in top 3, Barking Mad in the top 4. Lower probability than the place alone. But the return if both land is meaningfully better. You do not have to consider both. The place selection on Cruiserweight is where the model has the strongest signal. The same race multi is there for those who want to explore the longer odds option. Whatever you decide, go in with a clear understanding of what each bet requires. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please make your own informed decision. If today's full card is what you are after, every race has a dedicated video, all collected in the playlist, uploaded ahead of race 1. Worth browsing the other races to see which selections fit what you are after. Combining multiple model selections into a place multi is something some punters do. Your wagering provider can explain how that works. Whatever you decide, make sure it is your own informed call. One more thing worth repeating, check for scratchings before placing any bet, since they can completely reshape a race on the day. For race 9, the model's place selection is Cruiserweight. The playlist has the rest of the card, and if you have not subscribed, this channel runs for every Victorian meeting, every race day, entirely free. Race 9 at Caulfield, all wrapped up. The headline Cruiserweight for the place, and Cruiserweight top 3 with Barking Mad top 4 as the same race multi if the longer odds option appeals to you. Every selection gets tracked publicly, with results posted weekly, no exceptions and no cherry-picking, win streaks or losing runs alike. That is the only honest way to judge this model over time, and it is on you to make that call. For entertainment purposes only, as always, please make your own informed decisions and gamble responsibly. See you next race.